tayo magsisimula na ng ating semi-final game.
Save ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Five seconds.
Lacson for 3. Parang si Idol lang yan ah. That's Lacson Adonis from way downtown. Oh, Mawit. San Juan Integrated. Siel. Nolasco. Uy! Double dribble. Si Coach Dan. Big stop and pump. No good.
10 seconds.
Offensive rebound. And gets the foul.
Foul number 76. First personal foul, first team foul.
Coach. Dogs, bro. Basta brother, shoutout. Nasoli ko na. Sabi mo. Shoutout muna tayo, pare. Shoutout muna ako, coach. Shoutout. Busy. Ayaw. Nahiyain eh. All four tayo. Ayan si brother Pastor Danilo Tolasco. Supporting ng kanyang anak. Oh, out of bounds. Tolasco for 3. No good. Adonis. Outlet pass. What a pass. Libre sa kabila. No good. Good defense para sa San Juan Integrated. Number 71, 76. Well, nice layup. Boss Rep.
Foul number 23. Mansueto first personal foul, second team foul.
Number 7 to number 26. Gets the 3. Yes, para sa 3 for Robles. 9-4. Oh, correction. Sorry, my bad. 7-8 ang ating score. 1 point lead for San Juan Integrated. Cross-court pass. Number 23. Oy, block. Here comes San Juan. Nolasco Dan. Uy, nice pick. Uy, wala. Rebound. Here comes Pedro Cruz. Oh, steal ng San Juan Integrated, number 4. Basket is good. 7-10. Number 7 for 3. Miss. Rebound by Coach Dan Nolasco. Fake. Pass to number 4. Number 4. No. Oy, behind the back. Pass number 26. Adonis Lacson.
Change time.
Okay, mandatory substitution. Official score. It's 9 and 10. With the time remaining 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Huwag nito. Back to the ball game. Let's go. 5 minutes and 13 seconds. 10-9. Ball movement. Number 28. Kick out. 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Ayan na. Adonis up and under. Sorry, that's Calvo. Another steal for Pedro Cruz. Station number 17, too strong. Rebound number 29. Ayan na, San Juan Integrated, nagmamadali. Number 77, pass to the corner, fake, step back 3. Miss, rebound by number 20. Outlet pass, steal ng San Juan Integrated. Uy, bounce pass, fake, block by number 10 and gets the foul. Good defense para sa Pedro Cruz. Steal by number 20. Nagmamadali, binigay. Stop and pump. No good. Offensive rebound. Correction. And that's a foul.
Foul number 28. First personal foul, first team foul.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 49 seconds. And shoutout po sa ating president sa San Juan Federation. Ayan si Sir former Kagawad Cordovilla Roderick and the rest of our council sa federation. 3 points para sa San Juan Integrated. Fake. Uy. Out of bound. Bola ng San Juan Integrated. Number 29, 4-3, short. Gets the rebound. Bad pass. Missed. Number 29 and number 28.
10 seconds.
Oh, steal. Ayun na. There's a foul.
Foul number 23. And sportsman. 3 minutes cool down, sir. Jersey number 20.
Two shots para San Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Missed the first basket. Second shot. No good. number 13. Pass to number
10
11.
seconds to shoot.
Bounce pass, number 20. Nagagawan. Oh. Kailan sa foul.
Foul number 11. Warning number 11.
Warning number 11.
Resetment for a corner.
For the standard of the ball.
China Pedro.
Time out, Pedro Cruz. Tingnan natin, handle dito to ng Pedro Cruz. Ayan, shoutout kay Angelo Garcia Zaragoza na hindi napaglaro daw ngayon. Sayang, get well soon, brother. And Idol Angelo Garcia Zaragoza from San Juan Integrated. Sana makalaro to ng finals. At kung mananalo sila ngayong araw. Good luck. Fade away shot, missed. Rebound ng San Juan Integrated. Number 14 to number 77. Binigay sa corner. Jump shot, too strong. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Ay na, number 28. Yes, sir. Babas dalawang lamang ng San Juan Integrated. Number 16, 4-3, miss, rebound. Binigay sa corner, fake. Whoa.
Foul number 13. Second personal foul, 14 foul.
Rep. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Hold up jumper. Basket is good. Rep, space rep. 17-13. Oh, another steal for San Juan Integrated. Number 14. Oh, missed the shot. Ayun na, Pedro Cruz. Bad pass. Number 12 to number 27. Bounce pass. Oh, steal ng Pedro Cruz. Steal again ng San Juan Integrated. Uy!
Foul. Foul number 10.
May lamok.
First
Laki.
personal foul.
There's a foul. Penalty. Two shots para juice number 29. First shot is good for Saraimo. Rep. Kaya space mamaya. Thank you. Last 20 seconds. 17.
Foul number 16.
Number 20 to number 28.
7 seconds. 3 seconds.
Oh, block. 2, 1. What a good defense para kay Sir Gideon Bautista. Alright, end of the first period. Official score 18-17 in favor of the San Juan Integrated School. Tayo na daw na sa ating second period. Lamang ng 5. Ayan, shoutout ulit kay Angelo Garcia Zaragoza. Sabi niya, bro, shoutout muna tapos pakibigay na lang PSA kay Wave at dyan kay number 4. Sige po, bro. Thank you. Ayan. Sige po. 18:30 ang ating talaan sa pagtatapos ng first period at tayo dadawan na sa ating second period, second quarter. Bola rito ng San Juan. Ayan, ang Adrianong poging-pogi. Shoutout, Argay. Shoutout ka muna dito. Harap ka muna. Okay, sasabihin. Ayun na, binigay sa corner for the Ray. Too strong. Offensive rebound ang San Juan. Gets that the Ray short. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Number 7.
15 seconds.
Gets the 3. No. Rebound ng San Juan Integrated. Paso Adriano. Wow, too strong. Rebound number 27. An outlet pass. Number 26. Waiting for his teammate. Extra pass. Good.
12 seconds.
Number 7. Pinas sa loob. Fade away shot. Basket is good. 18-15. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang ng San Juan Integrated. Floater miss. Rebound by number 23. Ayun na si Lacson. Pass number 26. Pass sa loob. Good defense for Adriano. Daniel.
10 seconds to shoot.
Uy, good. What a hustle. Good defense. Nakatawid. It's a shot up. Violation daw.
Wearing jersey number
8. Bola rito ng San Juan.
22 seconds left.
And that's traveling. Traveling ka dyan. Adonis. To number 7. Change direction. Uy, nakalusot. Napalakas. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. And one.
And one.
By number 23. Basket is good. Plus a foul. Baba sa isang lamang ng San Juan Integrated. On the shot for number 23. Oy, short. Alright, bola rito na San Juan Integrated. Nasa corner, 4-3, short. Last touch. Same ball.
12 seconds left.
At the post. Ganda naman ang pinon.
From 21.
2017. Number 23.
Pushing foul from jersey number 18.
Push and foul by jersey number 18. Rep. Saglit lang, rep. Thank you. a foul.
Foul number Velasco. Second personal
Foul na
foul.
si Velasco.
13 foul.
Number 27. Setting on the play.
10 seconds.
High post. Offensive foul. Number 7. Number 20 4-3. Miss. Rebound. Number 7. Uy, wala. Gets a foul.
Foul number 20. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
2 shots para jersey number 23. First shot, no good. Shoutout kay Idol Dek Alfonso Master. Shoutout, next game po. Aming Santa Lucia Elementary School. Oy, good luck from both team and also the defending champion,
Foul number
ang West Krameng Elementary School. Ayan, nandito na rin sila.
penalty.
San Juan Integrated School under penalty situation. Number 26, Lacson Adonis, shooting for 2. First shot is good for Adonis Lacson. Offensive rebound or defensive rebound ng San Juan Integrated. Sidestep, kick out. Number 18 for 3. Velasquez for 3 at 23-18. Lacson setting on the play. Pass to number 7.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 7. Kick out. Wow! Nakabawi ang Pedro Cruz. Baba sa 3 ang lamang ng San Juan Integrated. Uy! So number 24, floater miss. Rebound. Nakuha number 7. Number 7 ang papadali. 2 against 2. Uy, biniti sa ere. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, 4-3.
Step on the line.
And that's a stepping on the line. Number 28, floater, missed, rebound by number 5. Pass number 27 to number 23. Up and under and 1. Basket count. May kasama pang foul by jersey number 23. Okay, mandatory substitution. Pero may free throw muna dito sa jersey number 23. Ha? Tama na. Rep. Perep. Penga space lang sa harap, ha. Penga space sa kita. Thank you. Tabla tayo sa 23.
Official score, we have 23-23.
All 23. Tabla tayo. Ay na. Uy. There's the foul.
Number 10, Hernandez.
Rep. Number 0. Kick out. No, Lasco 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng Pedro Cruz. Ay na, number 11. Walang tawag ating referee. Rebound. Number 13. Pass number 11. Top of the key. Gideon for 3. Miss. Rebound. Makukuha ni Nolasco. Nolasco nagmamadali. Nolasco Bigasa. Uy, last touch. Bola rito ng San Juan. Good defense dito. Ang Pedro Cruz. To stop the pass break. Ayan na. Number 14. Good. Pass to Nolasco. Nolasco. Stop and pop. Block. Ng Pedro Cruz. Makakuha. Ng San Juan Integrated. Using the glass. And score. 25-23. Timeout. Ang Pedro Cruz. Official score 25-23. Tignan natin ang huddle ng Pedro Cruz Elementary School.
Official score 23-25 in favor of San Juan Central.
Lamang dito ang San Juan Central.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Gideon 4-3. Yes, para sa tres. By Gideon. Sir Gideon Bautista. Change favor. Number 27. Take a shot. Short. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Number 13. Pass to number 18. To number 13. Miss. Rebound ng San Juan. Nolasco, miss it. Rebound. Number 18 gets the foul.
Foul number 29. First personal foul.
2 shots for jersey number 18. It's good. Second shot, miss. Rebound ng Central. Nolasco. To number 14, top of the key. Yes, sir. Ramos. Change favor lamang ang Central. Number 13. Pass to number 18. Too strong. Nag-aagawan, makakuha ng Pedro Cruz. Ayun na. Uy, binali. Wala. Offensive rebound. Retromouse po sa...
29. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Shot para jersey number 18. Wala. Second shot for jersey number 18. No good. Fade away. Handa sa jump ball. Oh. Taas sa balon ni Rep ah. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Last 2 minutes sa ating first half. Number 11 for 3. No good. Rebound makuha ng Pedro Cruz. Number 11, Gideon. Number 8, yung number 18. Isa pa. Wala. Number 18. But there's a foul.
Foul number, Galaw.
Galaw.
Galaw daw.
Galaw. Babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Pass to Galaw. Uy. No good. Pass to Nolasco. 2 against 1. Nolasco. What an extra pass. Nolasco.
Foul number 11. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
There's a foul. 2 shot para kay Coach Dandan. That's Nolasco. First shot, no good. For Nolasco. Second shot, tabla tayo. Number 10. Oh, that's a travel. Last 48 seconds. Number 14 for 3. No good. Rebound. Number 27.
Foul number
Gets a foul.
10. Third personal foul.
Two shots para number 27. Wow. Change favor. Balik alok alamangan sa Central Integrated. Wala. Yeah. It's a violation. Last 36 seconds. Let's go. Cross-court pass. Number 18. Oh.
Single. 13 seconds left to shoot.
One save. Nolasco. 2 against 1. Kinalawa. Akin na to. Last 13 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Oh! Last touch. Last 11 seconds.
11.1 seconds left.
Nolasco. Oh, sorry, that's
8
number 14.
seconds.
Oh. Last 4 seconds.
Penalty.
Both teams under penalty situation. Number 14. Shooting for 2 by Ramos. Wala. Second shot. Naihabol pa. Basket. Wait lang po natin. It's a basket ba? Oh, it's a basket. Count.
Counted.
At dito na po nagtatapos sa ating first half. Official score 32-31 at magbabalik tayo for a second half.
Official score 32-31 in favor of
Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po.